Hi everyone, I am Anupam Dagar. In this screencast, I will be showing the two new filters which are being added to the Fossasia's event here while searching for an event. So we are currently at the home page of event here. If we go over to browse events, we can search for all the events which are being added over the platform. I added these to ticket type and event call for speakers filters. So how these gonna work is like now you can also filter events by the ticket types. So if you want to search for events which have a free ticket, you can just filter the events by free and you will start seeing all the events which have free tickets. Also you can see in similar way you can search for all the events which have a paid ticket type. Now if I change the filter to paid, all the events which have a paid ticket will start coming up in the as filtered results. Also if you want to search for events by call for speakers and if it is open or closed, you can search by doing so, selecting the filter as open. Now the events which are being shown have an open call for speakers with paid ticket types, and similarly now all the closed call for speakers events with a paid ticket type. I can even remove one of the filters and this just shows me all the events with a closed call for speakers. So in this way these two filters work. This was a screencast depicting the work of these two new filters.